Looking for the best diaper sprayers? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 diaper sprayers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Aqua Nexis Premium Cloth Diaper Sprayer. Stainless steel, lead-free brass fixture with adjustable pressure. Attached at toilet bowl or side wall by standard toilet. Versatile applications. Includes lead-free brass T-valve, sprayer, hose, hook, and hanger. Adjustable water pressure and pivoting nozzle. Made of stainless steel and brass, this bidet and diaper cleaner system is almost as easy to install as it is to use. Be sure to turn off the valve to depressurize after each use. At number 2. Bumworks Cloth Diaper Toilet Sprayer Kit. Mounting clip toilet sprayer. Chrome finish. Adjustable pressure settings. Installation is fast and easy. Fits toilets with 7/8 inch connection. Comfortable grip and plenty of pressure. Stubborn messes are no match for the pressure this diaper sprayer provides. A shorter flex line between the valve and toilet tank provides the best results. Sprayer is not very flexible. At number 1. SmarterFresh Cloth Diaper Sprayer. Adjustable rinse and spray. Includes brass T-valve adapter, hose, wall mount, and hook holder. Fast installation. Easily removes thicker waste that results when solid food is introduced. If you're tired of the traditional dunk and swish method, consider this adjustable force diaper sprayer. Its kink-free hose keeps the chore quick. May leak, especially if water pressure is high. Be sure to turn off valve after each use, and consider turning down toilet water pressure. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.